Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can adjust the speed required to double or triple click the side button on your iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we swipe up to go down and tap on Side button. In here, go to the click speed section and you can choose the default, slow or slowest. So slow would be kind of slower than the default. Now, once you tap on one of the options, you can feel your phone will vibrate, and it will vibrate based on the click speed. So here you can see if I choose slow, you can see that it blinks three times. So 1, 2, 3, and that is the speed that you would use to press on the button. And if we go to slowest, we go 1, 2, 3, and that is the click speed. Sometimes older people will have difficulty pressing on the side button here, while it's easy for most people. Sometimes our fingers or hand can become weak, so we cannot go as fast, and you want to choose a speed that is slower, a slower speed that is appropriate for your finger. So you can choose between the default, slow or slowest. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.